Will now be recorded.
Okay, so welcome to Mohansh Technologies. In the last class, we are discussing about functions. Uh, what we are discussing last class? One second, I just want to laboratory reconnect. Now we discussed about loops, conditions and loops. We discussed about conditions and loops, and today we will discuss about string, list, tuple, set, dictionary. For all these objects, what are the different kind of operations we can able to perform? For all these objects, what are the different kind of operations we can able to perform? Sir, please, already 3 videos uploaded in the YouTube. I hope you people watched it, and please provide your likes and comments for the videos. That is the only request, and share with your friends also. Okay. Next, I want to go to the string first. What are the different kind of operations we can able to perform on top of the string? Okay. Come to the code. Now this is a string. What is the meaning of string? Collection of characters. Collection of characters. Okay. Collection of characters. With single quotes. You can give in single quotes, or we can give in double quotes, or we can give in triple single quote, or we can give in triple double quote also. Triple double quote also. Okay. This is the string basically. Inside this, you can keep whatever you want. For example, if I keep Mohansh here, that is a string. Again, if I keep Mohansh here, that is a string. If I keep Mohansh here, that is a string. And if I keep Mohansh here, that is a string. Okay. You can define string any ways like this. And one more important point I want to tell you guys: string is immutable. String is immutable. What is the meaning of immutability? What is the meaning of immutability?
Stop. It doesn't
Uh,
have
we
stop.
we cannot insert, we
Mm.
cannot append, we cannot delete. Okay. We cannot insert characters, we cannot append characters, and we cannot delete characters. That is basically string. But we can able to retrieve the data from the string with the different kind of ways. And characters are stored with string characters stored in mm, order, index order, in index order. String characters are stored in index order. So what is the meaning of index order? Let me show. Okay. For example, if I want to give the Mohansh here, Mohansh, Mohansh. Okay. So this is a string which is going to be stored like this. Okay, which is going to be stored like this. And here M is the 0 index, O is the 1 index. M is the 0 index, O is the 1 index, H is the 2 index, A is the 3 index, N is the 4 index, fifth index and sixth index. Fifth index and sixth index. So like this, your string is going to be storing with the index based. Remember, this is very important. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If I want to access M, if I want to access M, I need to say 0. Okay, I will tell you the different kind of operations later. String characters are stored in index order. That you have to remember. Index starts with 0. Sir, mute yourself. Index starts with 0. Okay. Let me take a string now. Okay, something like name. Name is equal to, if I say Mohansh. What kind of operations I can able to perform on this particular string? What kind of operations I can able to perform on this particular string? There are two operations you can able to perform. One is the plus operator, concatenation. One is the star operator, multiplication. One is the plus operator, concatenation. One is the star operator, multiplication. Remember. So I can go with the plus operator. I can go with the star operator. Okay. What is happening with the name plus name? What is happening with the name plus name? Execute this. Mohansh. What is happening with the name plus name? Mohansh. Concatenation is going on. With the plus operator, concatenation is going on. Okay. What I can do, perform with star operator. Name, name star 4 or 5 or 6. Name star 6. If I give name star 6, your name is going to be printing for 6 times. Your name is going to be printing for 6 times. Okay. Plus operator is working and star operator is working. Don't do, don't do subtraction. Don't do subtraction. Okay. This will not work out. Not possible. Subtraction not possible. Type error. Unsupported operand. Don't do minus. You can do plus as concatenation. You can give star for multiplication. Okay, right. I want to, this is the name, right? I want to gather the index 0. What is the index 0 from the name? What is the index 0 from the name?
M.
Name of 0. Name of 0. When I say name of 0, that will be M. Okay. One more time. I want to print the name here. Just see the value for the name. Now, is it visible, guys? Font is visible. Font is okay. Or can I improve font? Okay. Let me go. Name of 0 to 0 to 4. When I say name of 0 to 4, what is happening with 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 will not include. Okay. What is happening here? The first one is start index. The first one is start index. Second one is end index minus 1. First one is start index. And the last one 4 is there now. So till 4 it will not go. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 till 3 it will go. 0 starts with and it will go for until 3. It will go until 3 only. Am I clear, guys? This is 0 to 4. Okay, fine. For example, I want to go for the reverse index. When you want to go for the reverse index, you can give the minus 1. Minus 1 is the reverse index. You can able to get the reverse index as a space. In Mohansh, I have a space in the last index. Okay, if I say minus 2, what is minus 2? H. H. Okay, I want to see the length of the Mohansh. What is the length of the name? How many characters which are going to be available inside it? How many characters which are going to be available inside it? If I want to reverse the string, you can able to reverse the string very easily. Okay, double colon minus 1. When I say double colon minus 1, your Mohansh is going to be reversed. Mohansh is going to be reversed. So in this way, you can able to perform different kind of operations. Now I already told you string is immutable. String is immutable. You cannot able to append. You cannot able to insert. You cannot able to delete. Okay, let me try to do some operations, mutable operations. Let me try to do some mutable operations. What it will do? I want to append a character called A. I want a character. I want to append a character called A. So string object has no attribute called append. String object has no attribute called append. No, not possible. Let me delete the value from the name. Name dot insert. Let me try to insert. Insert at 0 index character called Z. Character called Z. I'm trying to inserting the value. I'm trying to inserting the value. No, string object has no attribute like insert. I try to delete. I try to delete some value from the name. Name dot delete. I just want to delete the H or M or H, the last index. Okay. Again it will say string object has no attribute like delete. You cannot able to delete the values. You cannot able to insert the values. You cannot able to append the values, and you cannot able to pop the values. There is a method called pop. There is a method called pop. Pop means the stack last value will be removed. Okay, name dot pop. When I say pop, when I call pop, mhm, string object has no attribute like pop. String object has no attribute like pop. Pop will not work out. Pop will not work out. Remember, string is immutable. String is immutable. You can able to access the data from the string, or you can able to concatenate the string, or you can able to multiply the string for number of times. That could be possible. Remaining, remaining whatever the operations we have, that operations cannot able to perform like append, insert, delete, pop, the kind of things. Understand? Amarnath, Arjun, Dilip, Divya, Gagan, Karthik, Lohit, Mansa, Fanindra, Rohit, Pavan, Sandeep, Siddharth, Shriya.
Clear, sir.
Let's go for the list object. Now I want to go with the list operations. Okay, list. Hmm. List is ordered collection. Ordered collection. What is the meaning of ordered collection? Ordered collection means index based. Index based. Okay. List is order collection, and list starts with square braces, ends with square braces. List starts with square braces, ends with the square braces. List values are separated with colon. Sorry, comma. Values are separated with comma. Last value don't keep comma. Last value don't keep comma. Don't keep comma. For last value don't keep comma. Right. Next. List is mutable. List is mutable. My God. What is the meaning of mutability? What is the meaning of mutability? I can able to append the data. I can able to insert the data. I can able to delete the data, or I can able to pop the data. Yes, this is possible with the list. And one more important point, list will allow duplicates. List will allow duplicates, duplicate values. This is comfortable one. List is comfortable one. Whatever you want, you can able to perform on this. You can able to append the value, or you can able to insert the value, or you can able to delete the value. You can able to pop the value. I will tell how these methods will work out. Am I clear, guys? How about the list? It's the ordered collection, index based, starts with the square braces, ends with the square braces, and values are separated with the comma. Last value don't keep comma. List is mutable. Append, insert, delete, pop, all methods will work out. All methods will work out. Let me go. Suppose, for example, if I took a list now, okay, I will keep a list now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these are the values in my list. These are the values in my list. So how to define this? 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7, comma 8, comma 9. This is my list, for example. Now what kind of operations I can able to perform on this? What kind of operations I can able to perform on this? I can able to insert value here. I can able to insert value here. So insertion is possible. Insertion is possible. And append means what? Here it is going to be appending. Append is possible. Append is possible. Okay. Insert is possible. Append is possible. append. Append is possible, and pop is possible. What is the meaning of pop here? Pop means this last object will be removed. That is the meaning of pop. That is the meaning of pop. Okay, you can do pop. You can do pop method, append method, insert method, and delete method. Even delete method also will work out. Even delete method also will work out. Wherever the value you want to delete, you can delete it. This is mutable, sir. List is mutable, remember. Okay, let me go. Let me go and define the list. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Amana,
Clear, sir.
Darshan, Sindhu, Dilip, Divya, Karthik, Lohit, Rahul, Sandeep, Siddhartha. Okay, let me go. Let me define a list. Let me define a list. Okay, list object is equal to, I just want to define one list now. Simple list. 7. Right. Now this is my list object. Now this is my list object. It's very nice. Now I try to append the value for the list. Okay, let me have something like concatenation. Okay, plus symbol. What is the plus symbol for the list here? How the plus symbol will work for the list here? Same like a string. Same like a string. What is happening with the AI? List object plus list object. Right. Add it. Add it. Now I want to multiply the list. Multiply with 4 times. Okay. All the values are actually multiplying for 4 times. Can you see this? Okay. Now I want to append the value for the list object. Dot append. Dot. Sorry. Dot append. Append is there. Okay. You can do the append here. Append 8. I just want to give the number like 8. After appending, I want to call the values. Appended or not? Appended or not? Your list is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But I try to append the value for this. Append is working or not? Append is working or not? Append method. Append. Append method is working or not? And it will append at last index. It will append at last index. That is, you have to remember. Now I want to pop. What is the meaning of pop? What is the meaning of pop here? Pop. Remove the last index. Remove last index. Okay. List object dot pop. Just pop. Just pop. After the pop, print the list object. After the pop, print the list object. Let me go. Popping or not? Popping or not? Last value got removed. Last value got removed. Okay, I want to remove the specific value. I want to remove the specific value. Remove. Remove or delete. Suppose this is delete. It seems delete. Okay. List object dot. Sorry. List object dot. It seems remove. Remove only. Okay. Remove. Remove something like 7. If I say 7. If I say 7. After that, I am printing the list object one more time. Okay. Removed or not? Pop is popping the last value. Remove means remove. You can remove any value. For example, if you want to remove the 2 or 3, you can remove it. Removed or not? 3 in middle value also removed. In middle value also removed. Okay, let me try to remove the 2 values at the same time. 3 comma 4. Let me try to remove 3 comma 4. Oh, no, not possible. Only one argument it will take. Only one argument it will take. It is not possible. That's fine. Very good. Remove 4. 4 also removed. 4 also removed. Now 1, 2, 5, 6. Now 1, 2, 5, 6. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear? And this is the 0 index. This is the 1 index. This is the 0. And this is the 1. And this is the 2. At the second index, I want to insert 3. At second index, I want to insert 3. Now insert operation. Now insert operation. Insert. List object dot insert. Yeah, insert. You have to give two parameters. You have to give two parameters. One is the index, one is the value. Where I need to insert, what I need to insert. Where I need to insert, what I need to insert. Where you need to insert at second index, you need to insert 3. At second index, you need to insert 3. Okay, after inserting, print the list object. My God, 2 times executed. Okay, fine. 2 times executed. Am I clear? Okay, I want to. Yeah, all these operations are performing or not on top of the list. Append is
Why
working.
2 times executed, sir? Uh,
I executed 2 times this one. If I
Oh,
execute
two
one more
times.
time, if I execute one more time added. Can you see
Okay.
the cell?
Yes.
If you execute the cell automatically, it is going to be inserting at the second index 333.
Okay.
Okay, this is my list now, and everybody got understand about the list operations. Everybody got understand about the list operations. Now, I just want to retrieve the data from the list. Okay, I need to specify the list one more time. That previous list is not good actually. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 5 comma 6. Right, now this is my list object. Okay, this is my list object. Now I want to retrieve the data. I want to retrieve the data from the list. Retrieve the data. Same like string. List object of 0. What is the index 0 value? What is the index 0 value? That could be 1. That could be 1. Next, list object of, take one more cell. List object of 0 to 5. If I say 0 to 5, it will print till 4 only. 0 1 2 3 4. 0 1 2 3 4. If I say 0 to 5, 0 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Fourth index. Till fourth index it will get the value. I already told you, na, starting index colon ending index minus 1. Okay, if you want to make a reverse this particular list, same operations. Same operations. Whatever we perform for the string, the same thing you can do that. Double colon minus 1. When I say double colon minus 1, all the values are reversed. If I want to gather the last value, last index value, list object of minus 2 something. Minus 2 means, what is the minus 2 of this list? That is 5. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6, but I can able to gather the 5 here. This is the list. Am I clear on the list? What we can able to perform on top of this list? Okay, you can prepare the names for the list. Suppose for example names is equal to, I can define some names here. Okay, I can define some names here. Mohansh, Ramya Divya, Santosh, Rajesh. Okay, I can see the names now. Okay. Okay, I want to iterate this. I want to iterate all these names. Yesterday we did iterations. Yesterday we did some for loop. Yesterday we did some for loop, right? Did you remember? For name in names. Print name. This is something like iteration, list iteration. Yes, list iteration is possible. List iteration is possible. You can able to iterate the values, or you want to get only the five character data. What is the formula for the 5 character data? Yesterday we discussed. What is the formula for 5 character data I want to get? What is the condition for that? Only 5 character data I want to see. Only 5 character data I want to see. In the last class we discussed that particular conditions and all. If if len if len of name double equal to 5, then give me 1 second. Then print name. Then print name. Only 5 character. Only 5 character. Ramya and Divya only 5 characters. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear? How this list is going to be working like? Okay, so anybody new people today? If anybody new today, please provide your email IDs. I already shared the content, already shared the collaboratory. If anybody not received, please give your email IDs. I will share the collaboratory. This collaboratory I will share for your Gmail, na? So that automatically it will go for the Google Drive, and you can able to download it and you can able to work on it. Just write down the notes if you want. Write down the notes if you want. Okay. Let me go for tuple. Let me go for tuple. Tuple or tuple, whatever it may be. Some people call tuple, some people call tuple. What this is, tuple is order collection. Ordered collection. And tuple starts with parenthesis, ends with parenthesis. One more thing, tuple is immutable. Tuple is immutable. What is the meaning of immutable? Append, insert, remove, pop will not work out. Will not work out. Same like string. Same like string. List is mutable, tuple is immutable. That is a major difference between the list and tuple. And tuple also ordered collection. No issues. Ordered collections means what? Ordered collections means what? Index based.
Index based.
Exactly. Index based. But tuple is immutable. Append, insert, remove, pop will not work out. At the same time, tuple will allow duplicates. Tuple will allow duplicates. No issues. Tuple will allow duplicates. Yeah, let me go with the tuple now. Start with the tuple. Tuple object. Tuple object. Okay, I say tuple, not tuple. Tuple object. Tuple object I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my tuple now. Okay, for this I want to. Okay, let me see what is what are the values which are going to be available with that. Tuple object. Execute it. Okay, it is printing like this. Now, if I want to make plus symbol for this tuple and tuple, tuple plus tuple, sorry, tuple plus tuple. Can I do tuple plus tuple? Tuple plus tuple. What's happening with this mouse? Tuple plus tuple. It will work out? Yeah, it will work out. I want to make multiply with the number. Tuple object into 4 times I want to go for. Or 3 times I want to go for. Yeah, it will go for. This will work out. This will work out. But now I try to append the value for the tuple. Now if I try to append the value for the tuple, append is what kind of operation? Mutable operation, right? Append is what kind of operation? Mutable operation. Okay, I'm trying to appending 7. I'm trying to appending 7. Then print your tuple object. After appending, print the tuple object. Sorry, sorry. Tuple object has no attribute like append. Same like string. This is immutable. Immutable means you cannot able to append the value. You cannot able to append the value. Let me remove the value from the tuple. I want to remove 6 dot remove 6 dot remove 6. Let me try to remove it. Let me try to remove it. No, no. Tuple object has no attribute like remove. Remove is not work. Okay, let me try to do pop. What is the meaning of pop, sir? Anyone? What is the meaning
Last
of pop?
index, last index delete.
Last index delete. Okay, not work out. Tuple object has no attribute like pop. Let me try to insert at least. Let me try to insert at least. I cannot able to change the tuple, sir. I cannot able to change the tuple. Tuple means tuple. That's fixed. Insert at 0 index. I want to insert 4 and print the tuple object. Even insert also not possible. Not possible. So that is what actually about the tuple. Finding out the differences between the list and tuple. Anybody? Difference. The first difference between the list and tuple. Similarity is both are order based collections. Both are ordered collections, index based collections, and both are allowed duplicates. But list is mutable, tuple is immutable. Append, insert, remove, pop. These four operations. List can perform. List can perform. Tuple cannot perform. That is the only major difference between the list and tuple. Am I clear, everyone? List and tuple, am I clear? Amarnath, Anuja, Arun, Chandu, CS, Dilip, Divya, Gagan, Karthik, Lohit, Mansa, Naga, Panindra, Rohit, Sandeep, Satish, Siddhartha, Sriya. Clear, right? Very good, very good. Okay, let me go to the one more object called set. Let me go to one more object called set. What is set and what kind of operations we can able to perform on set? Set is unordered collection. Set is unordered ordered unordered collection. Set is what? Unordered collection. Set starts with curly braces, ends with curly braces. Set starts with curly braces, flower braces, curly braces, whatever it may be. Starts with flower braces or curly braces, ends with the flower braces or curly braces. Next point. Set will not allow duplicates. Okay, I need to say if it is unordered collection, I need to say something like no index, na? I need to say something like no index, and set will not allow duplicates. Set will not allow duplicates. Set is immutable. Set is immutable, but mutable. What is that? What is this? What is this? I say set is immutable but mutable. What is this, sir? Sir, you are saying set is immutable but mutable. How? With different kind of operations. Immutable nothing but what? Immutable nothing but what? You cannot append the value. You cannot insert the value. You cannot pop the value. These operations cannot perform on top of set. These operations cannot perform. Immutable means append will not work out, insert will not work out, pop will not work out. Why? Because there is no index. Sir, if index is there, then only I can able to append. If index is there, then only I can able to insert. If index is there, then only I can able to do pop. But mutable means what? I can perform two operations here: add, comma, remove. Add, comma, remove. These operations can perform. You can add value for the set. You can remove the value for the set. You can add value for the set. You can remove the value for the set. Sir, set is something like a basket, sir. Set is something like a basket. So imagine this is unordered collection. Unordered collection means this one. There is no order. Unordered collection. I can have unique elements in the set. I can have the first element should be like this. The second element should be like this. There is no similar elements. There is no similar elements in the set. There is no similar element in the set. Set is unique data. Set contained unique data. Set contained unique data. Am I clear? But only two operations can able to perform on top of the set. One is add value, one is remove value. Two methods will work out for the set. One is add, not append. Add is different, append is different. Add is different, append is different. Let me tell you, this is set. Remove means I can able to remove the value from the set. This is also possible. This is the basket which is having some um, things. This is the basket which is having some things. I can able to add one more value, one more object for the basket, or I can able to remove the one more object from the basket. Am I clear about the set? Can we go with the program? Am I clear about the set? Set is unordered collection. There is no index. Unique values. Every value in the form different. Every value form is different. If one object is circle, one object is triangle, one object is rhombus, one object is curved triangle, one object is a star. Can I go with the program now? Everybody clear about the set first of all? Everybody clear about the set first of all? Amarnath, Anuja, Arjun, Chandu, CS, Dilip, Divya, Gagan, Karthik, Lohit, Mansa, Naga Fanindra, Rohit, Pavan, Sandeep, Satish, Siddhartha, Sriya. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Let me go to the program now. Let me go to the program now. I want to define a set. Set object. Define set object. Set object is equal to curly braces 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 4. How many values will come in output? How many values will come in output? Anybody? Anybody? How many values will come in output?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a set. It will not allow duplicates. It will not allow duplicates. Remember. Okay, this is my set. Can I go with the plus operation? Can I go with the plus operation for the set object? Set object plus set object. Set object plus set object. Set object plus set object. Oh, not possible. Unsupported operand type. Plus is not work. But this plus we can do with the list. This plus we can do with the tuple. But for set we cannot do. Okay, let me try to do star operation also. Set object star 4 times go. No, star operation also not perform. Star operation also not perform. Then what I can do? What kind of operations then I can able to perform? I told you na, only 2 operations we can able to perform on the set. One is add value. Okay, set object dot add 5. Then print your set object. Then print your set object. Add is working, sir. Sir, add is working. Append will not work. Append will not work. Remove will work. Pop will not work. There is no pop. Insert will not work. Can I try append? Can I try append? Set object dot append 6. Append 6. Set of sorry. Copy. Paste. Now try to execute this. I am trying to appending. Set object has no attribute like append. Set object has no attribute like append. Okay, now I want to do pop. Try all the operations. Try pop. My God, pop is working. When pop is working, what is the set object then? What is the set object then? Finally, set object is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me try to remove the things or insert the things. Let me try to insert the things. Set object dot insert. Sir, insert means index needed. Insert means index needed, but set is not having index. What I can do then? Not possible anywhere. Not possible anyway. Not possible anyway. Let me check it out. Set object. Oh, set object has no attribute like insert. Set object has no attribute like insert. Exactly. This is what actually I'm saying for you. Set is not following index. Then how you can define like insert or append kind of things, right? Let me go for remove operation. Let me go for remove operation. Set object dot remove. I want to remove 4. I want to remove 4. When I say remove 4, 4 will be removed. 4 will be removed. Definitely. Yeah. Removed or not?
What is the difference between pop and remove? Because on the pop also we have seen first value was dropped, right?
No. First, pop in the first value will drop.
Okay. Any of
Remove
first
means
value only.
remove means a specific object will be removed.
Oh, okay.
Srinu. Yeah. So, sir, understand what is the difference between the pop and remove?
Yeah, I understand. Pop
Thank you.
always it was the first object of the remove. Yeah, pop.
Exactly. Yeah. Now there is one more operation for the set. I want to union the set. Set object. Okay, let me define set object 1. is equal to something like 1 comma 2 comma 3, and I want to go for set object 2, set object 1, set object 2. Okay, 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, I have two set objects. Here for the set, there is a one more important thing called a union. Okay, set object 1, set object 1 and union. This is the symbol, and set object 2, union. So when I say union, can you see what is this? Can you say what is this? Union. Union means what? Merge. Do you know what is this union and intersection?
Collection
Do
of
you
two
know?
objects union.
Mixing of two objects, union. Okay, that's it. Set object 1 and set object 2, that is something like union. Okay, what is the meaning of intersection? Okay, let me tell you what is a union. Okay, okay, we have two objects like this. Union means everything, this and this. Union means this one and this one, this one and this one, completely merging. Intersection means, what is the meaning of intersection here? This is the intersection. This is intersection. Common objects called intersection. Merged two objects is union. Common values are actually called intersection. Okay, let me define now. Set object 1, 1, 2, 3, and set object 2, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, now you can say union. Union is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. Duplicates will not allow, na? Okay, now I say intersection. Let me go for intersection. Code. Let me go for intersection. What is the symbol for intersection? AND operator. This is intersection. What is the intersection? What are the common values between the set object 1 and set object 2? I told in this diagram, common object. The red color one is intersection. This is intersection between the two sets. This is set 1, this is set 2. This is set 1, this is set 2. This is union and this is intersection. Sir, am I clear, sir? Intersection means common objects. What are the common objects between the two sets? What are the common objects here in this set object 1 and set object 2? Common objects are 1, 2, 3, na?
2, 3.
I got it. Okay, now what I will do, set object 2 minus set object 1. Set object 2 minus set object 1. Then what will happen with this? Wow, super. Minus operation in any object it will not work out, but set it will work out. Minus means what, sir? Minus means what? From this set, I want to remove, make it minus 1, 2, 3. Already 1, 2, 3 is available here. Just remove it, minus it. When I make it minus it, remaining values are 4, 5, 6 only. I hope everybody got understand about the sets, list, tuple or tuple and string. Any questions so far? Please let me know. Amarnath, Arjun, Chandu, CS, Dilip, Divya, Gagan, Karthik, Lohit, Mansa, Naga, Fanindra, Rohit, Pavan, Sandeep, Satish, Siddhartha, Sriya, Subodh. If anybody not received email, please let me know. Provide your email IDs here. I will send one more time today. And please refer your friends, sir. So the Gen AI sessions are going to be free for 30 days now. Please refer your friends. Keep the message in the social media, the link, meeting link or WhatsApp group chat. Please post in your social media or keep in the status. That is the only request Mohansh is actually asking you. The only request is just promote this in the social media and promote this in your WhatsApp groups. Share with your friends. And you people please like and comment for the video. That is the only request. Anyway, I will upload the video in the YouTube na. Please just give a one simple comment and just like the video. That is the only request Mohansh is asking you. All the classes are free. We are giving free. I am giving the notes. I am giving the recording session in the YouTube. The only request is like the video, comment the video after upload. So please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon. If anybody not subscribed so far, go for subscription, and comments are needful. This will reach to the unknown persons. That is what actually I want to tell you guys. See you signing off. We'll have session tomorrow. Saturday, Sunday, we don't have sessions. We have session tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll discuss about dictionaries and JSON data. Thanks for attending the session. Bye for now. See you signing off.